This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a GMC 3500, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to pull out the taillight housing. Remove two T15 Torx bolts from the side of the housing. Pull the bulb housing away from the vehicle, then reach behind it. Disconnect this connector, slide the red tab back, then press in on the gray tab and pull the connector out. Now you can replace your housing. Next, we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. Open the glove box to begin. Disengage the side dampening arm. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together and lower it. Reach up here for the cover. Press the tab and pull it away a little, then swing the cover off. Now you can slide out your cabin air filter. The airflow arrow points down. And finally, an easy one, we're going to show you how to connect via Bluetooth. Press the settings button to begin. Select phones. Then select Add Phone. Complete the steps on your phone, then your phone will be connected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos for this model and other vehicles, visit CarCareKiosk.com.